everyone. I just got off a plane from work this week. It is in the evening, and I leave to go on another trip in 30 hours. But I came home to a couple of Sephora VIB packages, which I'm so excited for, but I wanted to share with you guys what I got. And yeah, I'm just really excited to open those boxes. It was a nice kind of treat to come home to. So I am going to start with the stuff that I actually purchased, and we're going to end with all the kind of free samples and point perks and all that stuff in case you're not really interested in that. Which I picked up the Drunk Elephant Midi Committee. So this is the box it comes in. It's like way bigger than I thought it was going to be. I've tried just a couple of little samples from Drunk Elephant. I've been really intrigued by their line, but I think it's kind of expensive, so you know. And this kit was priced really right, and it had products I was looking forward to using and products with the same kind of ingredients that I currently use. So my thought was, okay, well, when I finish what I currently am using, I can start trying these out and it would still fit into my skincare routine and all that good stuff. It's this little drawer that is mirrored. I mean, come on, amazing packaging. And it's a drawer, so it just slides out with the products in here. So let's just take a little look and see what we get. So this is such an amazing kit. Okay, so the makeup melting butter cleanser. This is the Slay butter cleanser. This is something I really love. There's not really a scent on it. Sorry, I'm just diving right in. I really love makeup removing balms, so this will be nice. I probably actually am going to end up traveling with this one because the one that I currently have is in such a big tube that this is going to be a little bit easier. It also came with, I think you're supposed to use it in tandem with the makeup remover, is the Bamboo Booster Exfoliant. It's like a exfoliating powder from my understanding, which I'm excited to try because I think that's a really nice concept and a nice way to get a fine scrub and fine exfoliation on your skin. The other thing is the Be Hydra Intense Hydration Serum. Now, I've tried this before it was actually a serum. I remember when it was just the Be Hydra, and it was more of a gel. So I'm curious to see if this is a little bit thicker. I know a lot of people used it that way, and they reformulated, from my understanding anyway. So I'm curious to see if this is still as good as I remember it. I remember really liking it. Then we have the Proteini Polypeptide Cream. This, I imagine, is just, a nice night cream. It looks to be a nice consistency. Not really a scent, which I'm kind of okay with. And these are good sizes, you guys. This is 1 whole ounce. I mean, I'm impressed. The last thing is the Passione retinol cream. This is a 1% retinol cream. I'm currently using the Ordinary's retinol, which I think is a 2%, 2.5%, something like that. And I use it maybe just once or twice a week, but I'm looking forward to trying this one out. This is a different kind of texture of a retinol. The one I'm using is much more liquidy and serumy, but this looks like maybe it's more of a cream, but I'm looking forward to it. So that's what came in the Drunk Elephant kit. I'm just gonna put them all in the drawer. And this is one of the things I was most excited for. I think skincare these days excites me more than makeup sometimes. And I think I just really, really value that evening routine. It's like a ritual. It's self-care that I get every single day. And so I really love skincare products and trying things out. And those are kind of ingredients and types of products I currently use. So it was a good fit. Moving on, the next thing I have is the Cover FX Custom Cover Drops. Now, I know that these were all the rage and then people kind of gave up on them, but I still really like them. I use them to mix in with foundation. So I actually have an empty one right here. So this is my new one. And I mix it in with the CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream for Oily Skin. This foundation, because that's the lightest shade and it's too dark for me, but this is nice, and I just like having it to kind of add a drop or two here and there. I'll tint my sunscreen in the summer with it, so this was a repurchase for me. Okay, this is from The Ordinary. I have tried, like I said, a couple of their products, and this is the glycolic acid 7% toning solution. So I currently have it looks like the actual squeezy tops up here. I have a Mario Badescu kind of exfoliating toner that I'm using. I use it on my arms for the keratosis pilaris that I have, and it works really well, you guys. I have really nice results. I don't use it every single day. I maybe will use it like every other day on my arms, or like fresh after a shower works best, I found, because it's like clean skin and everything. But I'm starting to get low on that, so I know I wanted to repurchase, and this was cheap with 20% off, even cheaper. So I'm going to have this until I'm done, or hide this away until I'm done with the one I'm currently using. Okay, I think, oh, here's another thing. I was going to say, I think everything else is new, but I have had this before. This is the Herbivore Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask. This is one of my favorite masks of all time. It's really good for oily acne skin, but it's not a clay or like a mud mask that's going to dry down and really like suck everything out of your pores. It's actually going to kind of exfoliate, but also rebalance, and it comes with this little scoop, which is nice. I think more and more brands are including those because people don't like to get their fingers in there, but I had a sample of this. I got a little sample last year at the VIB sale. Loved it, used it all. It was just recently in my empties, which I'll put up there if you didn't get to check it out. But I'm so happy that I got the full size. And the full size is big. Like, this is going to last me a long time because it's like a gel consistency. It's not really thick. It's like more kind of runny, but it's this really, really pretty teal color, and oh, I just love it. And I love the smell. Oh my God. I use the Herbivore Tansy whatever oil every night. Oh, I just love the scent of it. Okay, now into new things. So I picked up a new face primer. I really wanted to try a new face primer. I really love the Cover FX one, and it's like a tried and true. I know I can always go to it, but I just want to switch it up. So I'm going to try the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Perfecting Primer. It had great reviews. I have oily skin, so we'll see. I know it is like very highly scented and fragranced, but I don't know if that's like gonna bother me or not. Usually it like doesn't. I mean, yeah, it's scented, but it feels nice on the skin. Like, it looks good, feels good. We'll see how it all works out. Did I get some on my lip? Maybe. Whatever. But I just got the little size because I don't really like committing to full-size products if I don't know that I, like, actually love them. So, mini size there. And then I wanted to get a fun lip product. Kind of when I was making a list for the VIB, it was like, okay, what's something I need to repurchase, which was this and the mask. What's something new I want to try, and then what's like skincare. So that's kind of how I thought about it. But this is new to me. This is the Marc Jacobs Enamored, oh my God, Hydrating Lip Glossy Stick. Now, I remember somebody, maybe like Jessica Braun, talking about these. I don't remember who, but I remember kind of thinking about them, and so I was going to buy a lip gloss, and I looked at a bunch of lip glosses, and I thought, wait, there was something unique I want to try, and it's basically like a lip gloss in a stick, so it looks like a lip gloss here, but it actually pulls off. I got the shade Mocha Chocolata, but okay, so it's a click up, but you can't click down kind of situation, so noted. This is what it looks like. Oh, that's nice. It's like a nude. I have a little bit like of chapped lips, so my lips show a little bit more pigment right now than they normally would, but let's just throw it on. It feels nice. It kind of has like a minty smell to it. Yeah, I think I like it. Dang, there's like shine on my lips right now. I'm about that life. I really have been into lip glosses and like thick, like moisturizing balms. My favorite lip balm, I did not order another one of these because it's still pretty full, but it's the Kapari Lip Glossy. Amazing. But yeah, I like that. That's like a nice everyday kind of thing, and it looks nice too. I like the packaging. Okay, so that was it for makeup I bought. Now I did buy a fragrance, and this is the YSL Black Opium. I picked up this fragrance. I have smelled it before. So I travel all the time, and I go through, I fly in and out of MSB Minneapolis. And so right when you come out of security, there's a duty free, and I always go in and pick a fragrance to wear for the day. And so I've been wearing this one quite a bit, and I really like it. So I decided just to buy it. I got the 1 ounce, so let's just... It's so good. It's like a clean, warm floral. I love it. So yeah, and the packaging's cute. It's like a glitter, but it's got like it's got something over it so that the glitter doesn't come off. But yeah, I just get the 1 ounce sizes of perfumes these days because I have a variety now, and I don't want like a whole ton. I have a couple that I'm close to finishing up, so I'll be working those out of my way, but this is a good size for me. I mean, I don't need massive sizes. Okay, the last thing I actually bought, and then we're going to get into the freebie stuff, was this set from Commodity. It's the 3x3 Exploration Kit. Now, I think Commodity is kind of being discontinued from Sephora. I don't know if as a whole. I know I've heard people talk about the brand Commodity before. One second. I hate the sound of plastic. But I've never really had any experience with them. So this is a kit that was on sale, like in the sale section, and then I scooped it up in addition with the percentage off. And it is a exploration kit where you get 3 candles and 3 perfume samples of their scents. So I thought that was kind of nice. I really love candles. And I thought the sizes of them were really cute. They're 2.5 ounces each, and then you get a good size perfume sample. So the first one, I'm just going to pull them out of here. It came in a nice box. So this is what it looks like. I got the Orris, which... Whoa. Good thing I don't have hardwood floors in my bedroom. Okay, it's like a clean... kind of sandalwood maybe. Nice, nice. I'm sure there's things with notes on it somewhere for me. Probably on here. Okay, this one says Italian Orris, pink peppercorn, and patchouli. Okay, so nothing with sandalwood. And then you get a little sample of the perfume, and it looks like this is a spray, which is nice. And this is a, how big is this? 5 ml. It's like a good size. Like that's a good purse size, and I love that's a spray. Okay, the next one is Book. These are hard to get out of the package. Okay, and this has sandalwood, bergamot, and cypress. It smells pretty good. I love the black color. And then the little perfume sample. And then the last one is Oolong, and this has honey, Egyptian, basil, and tobacco. Ooh, that sounds really good. Oh, that one might be my favorite. That's nice. So, there's that. And I'll just pull these 2 perfume samples out too. So, I thought it was a cute little kit. It was like really expensive to begin with, so if it wasn't already on sale with an additional discount, I probably would never have bought this. But it was on sale and all that, so I gave into it, and I think I'm going to enjoy it. I think these are nice little candle size. Like, you can put this next to your bed and or next to your bath or something. I probably won't burn all of them at the same time because I really want to enjoy each scent on its own, but yeah, I think that's nice. Okay, so moving into the free stuff I got. I had some points that I cashed in. I made 2 orders. I always order my perfumes separate because they usually can't ship a package with perfume the same way they can ship without. So I always do my perfume separate, and then I get more freebies. So win-win. But I picked up a Sephora VIB or Beauty Insider 500 point perk. And this is a skincare one. This is the, I don't really know how you say it, Bioessence, something like that. And this is a little skincare discovery kit. So this is the Squalane Peptide Eye Cream. Nice little size there. This is a squalane and omega repair cream, and it looks like the cap came off, but it has a protective plastic, so that's good. But this is a night cream. I have, let's see, the little squalane and vitamin C rose oil. Okay, and the last one in here is the squalane and phytoretinol serum. So great products that I probably will be able to sub in at really any point in time, in addition to those drunk elephant ones. So I think that'll be good to have. I also picked up they had a mini makeup eraser, which I've always been curious about one of these, but I'm not gonna like buy one. So they had this little mini one, which I was so excited. Oh my god, this is so tiny. It's cute. Look at this thing. But I'm gonna try it out and see. This is something that I might end up like bringing with me when I travel to help like remove my makeup. But I've heard so many people rave about this that I'm just curious to see how it actually works. I know you pretty much just use water and it like works for you, so we'll see. I'm gonna test it out. Okay, the last point perk I got is I got 2 of these Good Genes lactic acid treatments from Sunday Riley. I've heard really great reviews of this, and that this is something kind of like a facial in a bottle, and really you don't have to use it every single night. Like you can use it once a week or so to get really good results. So have always been curious. This is a really expensive product that I don't know that I'd ever like dish out the money for, but I'm really excited to have a couple samples to try out. And then the free samples that I got 2 of the Summer Friday Jet Lag Mask, which I understand to be a hydrating mask. I am going to Paris, like I mentioned, so I thought these would be nice to have. Depending on how much I use, like if I do a pretty thick coat, I think I could use one full one like on the flight there and one full one on the flight back. But these are going to be fun to try out and really just plump the hell out of my skin. And the last thing I got are 2 perfume samples, which I didn't even realize I picked the same one, but it's both from YSL, and this is the Y perfume. So these are both like spray bottles sample of the perfumes here. So I think I'm set with like fragrances for me to try out and skincare for me to try out, but I'm super excited to get what I got. Let me know, did you guys participate? Did you not? I had seen quite a few videos of people encouraging people not to like go wild just because it's the sale, and I totally agree. Like these were things, I kind of had a budget in mind. I definitely looked at what was already on sale and then kind of went that way too, and I picked up a lot of free stuff, which I'm super excited for. So let me know what you guys got down below, and I hope you enjoyed seeing what I picked up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!